Hello everyone. This evening we're going to be replacing this Graymills BTV-150 ultrasonic cleaner. It's 5 gallons. It holds an ATX size motherboard. It is being replaced with what's in the box below, a BTU-7, which is an industrial 7-gallon ultrasonic cleaner. The BTV-150 weighs about 22 pounds. It is being replaced because it's not really that good for electronics because it does not have the sweep function. The BTV-7 has the sweep function. So let me move this aside and we will reposition the camera and we will unbox this thing. Okay, we have razor, we have clippers for the rivets. Let's see if we can get into this thing. I forgot to mention, this box weighs about 86 pounds. So start cutting the staples. Yeah, it's about midnight here. So that would make it now Friday. That's pretty good size. That would be a lid. Can you see inside there? Yeah. Wow, this thing is massive. Okay, comparison. Okay. Well, this fit an ATX size motherboard with ease. Will it fit the basket? That's a little tight, but it'll fit. The BTU-7 is made in the United States. The BTV-150 is made in China by a company called Jenkins. Well, stay tuned. We'll be opening the BT-7 up for a mini teardown to see what's inside. I'll probably do a video on that one, maybe. I'll definitely be putting it on my blog, so I'll link my blog below. Check back on this video if you don't see a teardown video for a link to the teardown post.